to connect PancakeSwap with MetaMask. So for this I am here on PancakeSwap.finance. So you will be directed to this interface here. Now to connect your MetaMask wallet, you need to click on Connect Wallet in the right top corner. So click on Connect Wallet and there you will get different options. So we will choose MetaMask here. And now your MetaMask will open. Now you need to confirm in MetaMask that you are connecting the wallet. So click on Next and now click on Confirm. So now it is connecting. Here it may take few seconds and then your wallet will be connected. Now here you need to approve. So here we have account ending at 5246 and let me show you my MetaMask here. So here account is ending 5246. This means your wallet is connected with MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you still have any question, please comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching. Bye.